Hi, how's it going? So you have some questions about the legal system in general, or you want to learn more about it, whatever. You've come to the right place. My name is Dominic F. Andriacchi Jr. I'm an attorney in Michigan where I've been practicing since 2012. Also during that time, I've been teaching classes to individuals just like you who have questions about the Michigan legal system or the legal system in general. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with explaining the structure of the legal system. From here, we can go on to handling how the court cases proceed, what it means to appeal, so on and so forth. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Michigan as a guideline since it's basically what I know. But what happens in Michigan essentially applies to everywhere else. What Michigan did is basically take its structure accordingly from the federal system. You can go to Wisconsin, they're going to have pretty much the exact same similar structure. You can go to Florida, Iowa, Nebraska, even, New York, California. Every single state is essentially the same. Some of the court names may change. I think it's either California or maybe it's New York, where, for example, the trial court level is called the Supreme Court, but it's basically the same. So, okay. In Michigan, we have three different, what we call tiers of court cases, or what I call tiers of court, not cases, but of courts. At the very top, we have the Supreme Court. In the middle, we have the Court of Appeals. And at the very bottom, we have trial courts, which are split up among two different ones. There's the Circuit Court and the District Court. Okay, so there's essentially, again, three tiers: Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, and trial courts. Let's take a look at the federal system. The feds have the Supreme Court at the very top. That's the Supreme Court of the United States that everybody hears of. We have in between is the Circuit Court of Appeals, which is basically the exact same as the Court of Appeals. It's called the Circuit Court of Appeals because each different circuit in the federal system, Circuit Court of Appeals, handles court appeals from different states. So for example, in Michigan, our federal system court cases are handled by the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals. That court also handles court cases from, I think, Ohio, maybe it's Nebraska or Tennessee, a couple other states too. Can't quite remember all of them off the top of my head. Underneath the Circuit Court of Appeals, you have the District Court. District Court is essentially a trial court. So in other words, what's a trial court? If you're getting sued or if you're being sued, you're going to start off in a trial court down here. And then where you go from here depends on where you are in the process, who's appealing, when it's being appealed, and we'll discuss that stuff in a future video. But that's essentially it. Every single state's basically set up the exact same way. Again, the court names may change. For example, Supreme Court could be down here, or Criminal Court of Appeals, I think it's Texas, and they have a whole bunch of different names. But essentially, it's the same three-court or three-tier system. So please go down below, click the subscribe box. That's going to give all my videos directly to your inbox. If you're watching these videos maybe like a year after they come out, go ahead and click the playlist tab up above. You'll see all the different videos that I do on all my different subjects. For example, I got a series on legal writing. I got a series I'm going to do on this, on understanding the legal system, so on and so forth. You'll get all those directly to your inbox, or if it's later on, you can go back and view different videos at your leisure. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you disliked it, and leave some comments down below to let me know what you think I could improve on, or any questions that you may have. Also, I do want to apologize really quickly. There's some glare on here. I can't help that. It's just the way the lighting setup is. So, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the very next video. Take care. Bye.